So you've created lists and document libraries in your SharePoint, and now you're managing your data. But now you need to display your data in a way that helps make business decisions. You built your dashboards, and one of the most user-friendly and visually striking component that you can put on your dashboard is a counter. Ultimate Forms offers flexible, easy to use, and easy to configure counters that can be placed on any SharePoint web page to create a dashboard. As you can see here, I have several counters here that draw their data from a list of sales. For example, I'm showing how many sales we had this year and show the trend compared to last year, show the percentage of that sales that happened in Asia and in Europe. I can even attach our filter web part to the counters to dynamically change parameters and see how the data changes. For example, I want to show only sales of electronics, and you can see how the numbers dynamically change. Let's see how it's configured. First, we select a list. Then we can optionally configure our layout settings, and then we switch over to the counter themselves. As you can see here, we have 3 counters. The current year counter shows the sum of the values in the column amount. We are showing the short version of the number, and we are saying that we only want the data from this year. So we're using this year function on today. And then we are also showing the trend. For that, we are calculating also a previous value, basically comparing the year with the previous year, year minus 1. We can also optionally give a URL so a user can click on the counter and see, for example, the actual underlying data if they want to continue exploring. The same goes for Asia. Here we are using several conditions and we are showing as a percentage, and we're also giving conditions for the total value. So we're dividing whatever comes in these conditions with what comes here, which is all the regions, not just Asia. And that's all there is to it. You can install a 30-day trial of Ultimate Forms. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.